Start because I was confident. What if I told you I didn't start YouTube because I was confident? I started YouTube because I was tired of working 2 jobs, tired of being quiet. For 10 years, I've been talking to myself in my car, creating full YouTube videos but never pressed the button record. I can remember. But I keep telling myself, maybe next year. I work 2 jobs, I'm in school, I trip over my words, I'm not a very outgoing person. I always love YouTube. I would watch vlog channels for hours and I would think, I want this to be my life. Not the ecstatic part, but the freedom of storytelling. So now, 2 jobs isn't about struggling. It's about control. One else we can actually rely on. So the second job isn't about shame, it's mostly about security. And I looked around YouTube and I never really seen the struggle of having 2 jobs. So that's why I wanted to bring this storyline to YouTube. I see the glow up, I see the soft girls having lunch and cocktails at 1 p.m. But I've never seen that 18-hour shift. So I thought, maybe this is my lane. I'm a quiet observer. I talk, but only when I feel like the energy is right. I get socially drained easily. 3 hours of being out of my comfort zone, I'm done, I'm ready to go. My mouth is dry, I'm bored, and I just want to go home. So why did I start a YouTube channel? So my next big vision, I'm in school getting my master's for special education. My next chapter will be walking into a classroom, and I want to document that too. Because it's not just about YouTube, it's about proof that a girl that grew up unstable, built introverts, can lead. Proof that anxiety doesn't get the final say, and that introverts can lead. Videos in, I'm only on video 3. For 10 years, I was always that girl that almost started, but never started. Now I'm that girl who did. I know this channel is going to be successful, and I thank God for the people that's showing up. It's not because I'm loud, it's not because we're perfect, but because we're consistent. And one day, future me is going to watch this and say, thank God I stopped to document my life. Even if it was just for me and my brother to watch. But you press record, and that changes everything. So listen, this is not just about me pressing record. This is about us. So if you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, start. This is about generational shift, financial control, quiet ambition, anxiety healing. I, the starter of YouTube, tired of feeling like I had more inside me than what people saw. And I'm only on video 3, but it feels different. The medical field, which means long shift, emotional days, and sometimes it's physically draining. And then I clock into my second job, which is Amazon. By the time I get home, my social battery is drained, gone. It's the kind that replays conversations over and over in my head and think, why did I say that? Why did I do that? So starting YouTube made 0 sense to me. No sense. Absolutely, I thought I was going crazy. I keep thinking, who's going to watch me besides my brother? Not out loud, not in a dramatic way. Right now, the only consistent viewer that I have is my brother. And honestly, that's enough. Hi, who's watching? This is not about going viral. It's about proving to myself that I am enough and that I can show up for the few people that do show up me. I'm quiet, I work 2 jobs. Why, sir? Because I have something to say. Pressing the record feels different. For me, pressing the record feels different from being in a crowded room. Empowering about knowing I can speak and not be interrupted. There's something empowering knowing that I can speak and not be interrupted or not to feel like I'm shrinking. On camera, you get to think, you get to pause, and you edit. In real life, I sometimes hold back. But on YouTube, I don't have to. I can let free. Being 2 jobs sometimes can do something to you. It makes you question, is this me? Is this my whole life? Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for my income. I'm grateful for my 2 jobs. But I don't want my whole identity to be just exhaustion. Me being tired, going from one job to the next. I started to document my struggle. It's going to be real. So I'm working, studying, trying to lose weight, trying to grow, just trying to become more. Bear with me. I'm not on video 50 This is just my third video. And sometimes I may feel awkward. Sometimes I may trip over my words. I still be very cringy, but I feel proud. Introverted girl in me who works 2 jobs and mostly stays quiet, she feel. My whole life was I clock out and then I'll clock in someplace else. Whether it was doing Uber, working Amazon Flex, I always had it. Maybe this channel grows. I'm hoping this channel will grow. Maybe it'll stay small. It'll be me and my brother watching, and that's okay too. But if anything, now I can look back and say I did not wait. I didn't let exhaustion win. I didn't let being tired. I didn't let being quiet win. And that alone makes this so perfect. So thank you for watching, and thank you for taking this journey with me. So if you have anything that you're struggling with or anything that you want to do, bye.